All right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As you can see, I have a package in front of me, and by the title of this video, you already know that it is a pair of Linemans. And these are the 1 of 100 memorial Linemans for Daniel Brunet. He was I've talked about him before, but he was the creator of the Klein Collectors group on Facebook, which has over 12,000 members, and he recently passed away due to brain cancer. So one of the members from the group teamed up with House of Tools and Klein Tools to make a limited edition laser etched set of Linemans. There was 100 of them made. I got one of them. A bunch of other people from their group got one or bought one. And these were $100, and this is to raise money for his family. So happy to help out with that. So I can't wait to open them. I've already seen several people open theirs, and they're gorgeous, and I can't wait to check them out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. I'm really excited. I might start crying. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. So they come in a special case. They do not have special, or they don't come in the normal plastic, which I was hoping that they would, to hang them up. But either way, I'll figure out how to put them on the board. But I was hoping that they were going to be in the plastic so I could hang them. But I'll bring you guys over here in a second. So I got the House of Tools sticker right here, which came in the package, and then basically just a receipt right here for the $100. But I'll bring you guys over here and let's check these out so we can experience it at the same time. All right, so like I said, here is the box right here. Here's the House of Tools sticker right there. That's the website that I ordered these from. And I've never bought anything from there before, but I was really impressed with the 3-day shipping from California, I believe. I don't think it was Canada, but anyways, it was from CA, which is usually California, but I'm not sure. So I think it was California, but it was 3-day shipping, and they got here even earlier than expected. So that was crazy. Here is the package. This is really cool. Got the box right here. And here we go. Let's just go ahead and open it. Ooh. Alright, so this is like super intense, like right now. So here they are, foam wrapped. So right here you can see, in memory of Daniel, quote, Brunet, with his picture right there. I'll try to focus that a little bit. So in memory of Daniel, there's the H7 right there. And on the back, I thought somewhere, maybe it was a different one. They do have like another set of 4 other special ones in honor of Daniel. But one of them I thought had the special code on the back with the slash or dash burn on it. But maybe that was just on the website. But anyways, super cool. Yeah, these look really amazing. And it's like surface etched on there, so you can hear it. So yeah, obviously I'm not going to be using these. These are very special, and just thankful to have known Daniel and to have been a part of his group and still a part of his group. Yeah, just thankful to have known him and share his passion with him. And he's pretty much one of the people that helped basically start my tool obsession, and has helped create my tool wall to what it is today. So yeah, have him to thank for that, and just love the community that he's made, that us tool collectors can come together and share our passion together, and help each other out when we have questions and all that stuff. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you're wondering, the red handles right here was picked because he was from Canada, so that was kind of going with the theme of the red Canadian flag. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Definitely love these, and I'll be putting these on the wall immediately. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video. I'll upload my video. I was gonna do it for today, but I'll upload my my work video tomorrow. So if you guys want to see what I did at work today, tune in tomorrow. This is going to be the only video for today. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have a great weekend. And if you have Monday off as well, have a great 3-day weekend. God bless. See you in the next one. Peace out.